I think I've stopped the video, but I'm not sure. I can't tell when it's recording and when it isn't.
It took a while for me to figure that out on my own.
The little red dot says you're recording?
It's supposed to be, yeah.
Okay.
At least it is on my iPhone. I don't even think both of my iPhones do the exact same thing with that happen, so I'm not sure.
Do you need an extra hand, Ed, to hold that up while you pick up the other one? It's being self-sufficient, Ross.
I asked him if he needed a hand.
I just asked him and he
goes,
didn't
yeah, you
answer.
have two.
It's standing up all by itself.
Cool.
Good job, Ed.
Ed, you have it backwards.
You mean I got it backwards?
You got the end of the bottle sticking toward you.
I'll just turn around 90 degrees. 180 degrees.
Are you
See?
sure? Oh, there you go. I don't understand.
Boy, having
though.
one eye is a real hindrance for you, isn't it?
I don't understand though why they do it that way, other than to the angle it down so that the cork stays wet. But
That's exactly
I don't
correct.
understand why they always put the top of the bottle at the front of the wine rack when it would be so much easier to read the label going the other way.
Nobody likes looking at butts.
Oh, okay.
Well,
If we're
I
recording
suppose
this, it's going to
I
be
should
funny.
qualify that, but I don't think that I should do that on a video.
I'm not sure if we're on a video or not.
Doesn't matter. I'm still not quantifying it in public.
Okay. Well, it's coming right along. Maybe we'll... I think it's recording now. I don't know. I'm terribly confused.
I could look, but I don't know if I would know, and then my mug would be in the shot.
But I think we just put... More of the wine rack assembly here. Ed, you're doing good. Doing good.
All right. Back to the instructions.
Okay. Ed's an instruction reader,
I know that.
which is a good thing because he gets things right this way, the first time.
But it's odd for a man to do that.
It may be odd, but it works. And we take a little break in the assembly. I'm thinking I like how it's looking. It does get a top shelf if I remember right.
Yes, that's the next step.
Oh, that's the next step. Aren't we lucky? That means we're almost done. I noticed they wrapped all the wood in plastic so that it wouldn't get scratched up. I thought that was a good idea.
Okay, well, before I do that, I got to put